Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync GoCanvas with Dropbox. All right. To sync these two, all right, you can go ahead and use a workflow automation tool like Zapier or Make, which is formerly known as Integromat, or maybe you can use NA10. Those apps or automation tools allows you to create automated workflow or scenarios that trigger actions in other apps when certain events happen in GoCanvas. For example, you can make a zap here on Zapier, or you could set a trigger that can upload a new GoCanvas submissions as files to a designated Dropbox folder. All right. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and contact a GoCanvas support right here. If you want this custom integration, as well know integrations right here is still in the works. Okay. But you can go ahead and contact GoCanvas support to enable a custom integration for you. All right. You can go ahead and use this link. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. You can just go ahead and click on Connect with an Expert, GoCanvas integration with Dropbox. Okay. Now moving forward, if you just want to make it yourself or make a connection yourself, go ahead over to Zapier. Again, as I've mentioned before, Zapier, Make.com or NA10. Okay. So going back here, just create your Zapier account. It's pretty easy and it's totally free. In here in your dashboard, go to the top left and click on Create. Okay. And then hit on Zaps. Once done, as you can see here, we have a trigger and action. So again, I will remind you that this thing is automatic or automated. Whenever a trigger happens, for example, you have a new GoCanvas submission, it will automatically take the action right here. All right. It will automate it for you. So trigger, click on it and look for GoCanvas or vice versa. Okay. You can select GoCanvas or Dropbox first right here in the trigger. Okay. GoCanvas, select an event right here, for example, new submission, and just log in with your GoCanvas account. And once that's done, hit on continue, configure app name or project name, or even the form name. All right. For example, job dispatch or job ticket. Just select whatever you want and hit on continue. And then wait for the test trigger button to enable. And then just click on it. All right. Once you have the green check mark right here, that means that it's good to go. Click on X, select the action. And of course, we're going to be going to select Dropbox. All right. Just Dropbox. This one is a different thing. Okay. Dropbox. Click on it. Choose an event. As you can see, we have copy file, create folder, create or append it to text file, and a ton of options right here. For example, I'm just going to be using create folder. Okay. Account, just sign in, allow, wait for it. There you go. Just hit on continue and configure it. Select the space. I have a default space right here in a folder. As you can see, I don't have any folder. I'm just going to make one. All right. Dropbox, create a folder from GoCanvas, like so, create. All right. So I'm going to go back to Zapier, select the folder, refresh, select the folder again, and the folder name, maybe just sample integration. There you go. Hit on continue. Test. Always test the integrations, okay? Or the steps. We got a green mark. It's good to go. And now the last thing that we would need to do is just hit on publish, all right? When you hit on publish, it activates a workflow, allowing the defined actions to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. All right. Each time the trigger event happens, like a new submission happens, Zapier will execute the associated actions in the connected app. And there you have it. As you can see here, when we go ahead over to our Dropbox, we now have this sample integration folder from GoCanvas folder. This is basically a subfolder. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.